Hello YouTube, Text is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix audio device is disabled in Windows computer. So you may be using Windows 11, Windows 10 or other Windows operating system. You may face a disabled audio problem or some audio related problems. So in order to fix this problem, on this video we are going to see 5 solutions from basic to advanced. So stay tuned until the end of this video, and all the solution will work for all Windows operating system. So on this video, the first solution would be checking the sound setting. So in order to check the sound setting, go here, click the search icon and type here settings. So after you type that, then click here the settings. Then you will find here system option. So select the system, and under the system you will find the sound option. Select sound. Then that you are going to check the output selection. So if you are connected through headphone, make sure you select your speaker. In my case, I only have here a speaker option, but if you plug in headphone or other speaker options, then you should have to select that specific one, because if you are selecting the different one, then your audio would be disabled or it would be muted and you cannot hear it. So make sure you select the right output device. So after you check all those information, then make sure the master volume is under the appropriate position. Make sure you get 100% or 50% or which is in a hearable format. So after you do that, then go here and select manage sound devices, which is in order to test. Here we have output devices. As I have said, I have only one, which is the built-in speaker for my laptop. So select that and test whether the speaker is working correctly or not. So click here test. Then it will give you some kind of sounds from the left and right side of the speaker from your computer. So check all this information. So after you check all this information and after you did everything, if the sound problem is solved, well done. If the sound problem still continues, then the second solution will be troubleshooting. Again, in order to troubleshoot, click here the search icon and type here troubleshoot. So under the troubleshoot, here the troubleshooting will be opened, which is troubleshoot setting. Select that and you will find additional troubleshooters. This one, select additional troubleshooter. Then you will get here playing audio option. So make sure you select the playing audio option. So after you select that, you will get run the troubleshooter. So click run the troubleshooter. It will help you detecting the problem, scanning any audio problem. So here it gives you different options, which is turn off sound effect and enhancement. So follow all the instructions. You can select yes, open audio enhancement, and you can check based on the information that you get here, disable all sound effects. As it said earlier, you can disable it or enable it back, and you can select here OK, and you can select here play test sounds. So it's going to give you some kind of sounds. If you hear the sound, then you can select good. If it is not, you can select bad. If you do not hear anything, you can select I did not hear anything, and it will proceed to give you plenty of recommendations and diagnoses under the troubleshooting section. So be patient and read all the commands that the troubleshooter will give you and respond accordingly. So the troubleshooting completed in my case, and it did not show me any error because my speaker is working correctly. So wait the troubleshooting until it will complete and follow all the steps. So if the troubleshooting solution is not helping you, then solution number 3 will be updating the device driver. So in order to update the device driver or the sound drivers, just click here the search icon and type here device manager. So here the device manager, then open it, and after that on the bottom you will find sound, video and game controller. Click here the arrow and you will find different audio drivers. Make sure you select the right one. In my case it's Realtek high definition audio, so right click on it and select update driver, and you will get two options, which is search automatically for driver and browse my computer for driver. Select the first one, which is it will search automatically for a driver. So after you select that, in my case here the base driver for your device are already installed, so it just finished. Then close this and it's showing me restart your computer because your computer driver is updated. So select yes in order to restart. So if updating your device manager would not be the solution for the problem, then the fourth solution will be reinstalling the device driver. So in order to reinstall the device driver, again we are going to open the device manager. Click here the search icon and type device manager, and here the device manager, and open it. So after the device manager opened, then go here again sound, video, game controller, then you will find the Realtek high definition audio or the audio driver that you have on your computer. So right click on it and select uninstall device, because this uninstalling will help you to fix the audio problem. So make sure you select the uninstall and click here uninstall, then it will completely delete the audio driver. So after it's uninstalled, make sure you restart your computer, because after the restart, then the audio driver will be reinstalled on your computer. So select uninstall, then restart your computer. So after the uninstalling and restarting your computer, your audio driver will be installed back. And if the problem is solved, well done. If the problem still continues, then the final solution for this video will be open your control panel and check whether any sound devices are disabled or not. So in order to check that, go here, click the search icon, type here control panel. So here the control panel, then open it, and under the control panel you will find the sound option. If you cannot find it, make sure it's under the large icon category, then select here the sound. Here I have only one speaker option. You may have external speaker or headphone or other output devices. Then on here on the free space, just right click on it and make sure both these things are ticked. In my case they are ticked. If they are unticked, they will be like this. So make sure you click here and it will be ticked, and it will show you if there will be any disabled device or disconnected devices. If you find any disabled or disconnected device, just select that specific device and right click on it, and in my case it's already enabled, that's why it's showing me disabled. So if it is disabled, it will show you like this. So make sure you right click on it and select enable, then click here apply and select here OK, then it will be enabled. Then close the control panel and your problem related with audio device will be solved. So these are the solutions to fix this problem, and if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Just take out.